If you love breathing, then you owe a big thank you to a process called photosynthesis. It's something that happens all around us every single day, and it's the reason we have fresh air to breathe. But if the word photosynthesis makes you think of boring science classes, don't worry. Stick around because we're about to make you a fan of this incredible process. Imagine watching a plant grow from a tiny seed into a lush green plant. It's like watching a miracle unfold, and at the heart of this miracle is photosynthesis. Alright, so here's the scoop. Plants are like tiny factories. They might not have conveyor belts or assembly lines, but they are constantly at work, producing the essentials for life. They take in sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide and turn them into food and oxygen. It's a process that seems almost magical, but it's all grounded in science. It's like magic, but it's actually science. This transformation is what keeps our planet alive and thriving. This process is called photosynthesis. It's a word that might sound complicated, but it's really quite simple when you break it down. Think of chlorophyll, the green stuff in leaves, as the plant's special chef. Chlorophyll is what gives plants their green color and plays a crucial role in photosynthesis. It absorbs sunlight and gets the whole process started. Without chlorophyll, plants wouldn't be able to harness the energy from the sun. Water from the roots and carbon dioxide from the air mix in, and boom, you've got glucose, the plant's food, and oxygen, which we breathe. This combination of elements is what fuels the plant and in turn provides us with the oxygen we need to survive. Without photosynthesis, life on Earth would be totally different. Our landscapes would be barren and the air would be unbreathable. No trees, no fruits, no veggies, and we'd have a tough time breathing. The absence of photosynthesis would mean the collapse of ecosystems and the end of life as we know it. So next time you see a plant, give it a nod of thanks. These green wonders are working tirelessly to keep our planet healthy and our lungs full of fresh air. Remember, photosynthesis isn't just plant business, it's Earth's lifeline. Pretty cool, right? It's a process that connects all living things, from the tiniest leaf to the largest forest. Let's dive a bit deeper into how this process works. When sunlight hits the chlorophyll in the plant's leaves, it triggers a series of chemical reactions. These reactions convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. The glucose produced is used by the plant for energy and growth. It's like the plant's very own power source. The oxygen, on the other hand, is released into the air, which is what we breathe in. This oxygen is crucial for the survival of almost all living organisms on Earth. Without it, we wouldn't be able to survive. Photosynthesis also plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of gases in our atmosphere. It helps to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and increases the amount of oxygen. This balance is essential for regulating the Earth's climate and supporting life. Without photosynthesis, the levels of carbon dioxide would rise, leading to global warming and other environmental issues. So the next time you take a breath of fresh air, remember the incredible process of photosynthesis that makes it all possible. It's a reminder of how interconnected we are with the natural world. And it's not just about the air we breathe. Photosynthesis is also the foundation of the food chain. Plants are the primary producers, meaning they create their own food through photosynthesis. These plants are then eaten by herbivores, which are in turn eaten by carnivores. This flow of energy from plants to animals is what sustains life on Earth. Without photosynthesis, there would be no plants, and without plants, there would be no herbivores or carnivores. The entire food web would collapse. So the next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the plants that made it possible. Whether it's a salad, a fruit, or even a steak, it all starts with photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is truly the secret behind life on Earth. It's a process that connects all living things and sustains our planet. So, let's give a big thank you to the plants and the incredible process of photosynthesis. They are the unsung heroes of our world, working tirelessly to keep us alive and thriving. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this dive into the world of photosynthesis. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science wonders. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world around you.